Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel for my Oludi goodies. And if you are new here, it's good to have you here. And this is the Woman Who Speaks Celeste channel, where I upload 2 videos per week. But sorry guys if I haven't been posted anything for the past couple weeks because I've been under the water, and now I'm trying to recover, but I feel a little much better. And today I have for you guys a small unboxing, and this is the package, and it came well packaged. It come from a website called FabKids, and I decided to order some boots for my daughter, and that would be a great gift for your daughter, nieces, especially if you have a toddler that you have in mind, to get them something. But those are so pretty and inexpensive, and I wanted to share with you what I got for my daughter, guys. And the first one is the name is Fuzz's Fur Cat Fuzzy, and it's pink, and the size is 13, and they are like UGG inspired boot, guys, and they are so comfy, so pretty, inexpensive like I mentioned before. And look at that one, how cute it is, and it looks like a sleeping cat. I can say there is no name in the boots, and but they feel, to me, they are comfy and they are well packaged, they are well, stuffed and all this good stuff. So like I said, the website calls FabKids, where you get your first pair of boot for $10, and when you become a VIP with them, because you have to kind of register, and it's the same as my when I spoke about Just Fab, is the same process, where you get if you don't skip the month, every 5th of the month you get charged $39.95, but you can still redeem the money afterwards. And yes guys, this is the first one, the pink one, and I ordered a black one also, but the black one is kind of different than the pink one, but it's almost the same style. And I got it in the same size as well, which is 13 and stuff. And what you can do is, if you signed up with them, you can set up your calendar or your alarm whenever the 4th pops up. You know, they notify you that you are close to your for your payments and stuff, so you don't get charged the $39.95. And that's the black one. It is fuzzy, and I love them, guys. And when she saw them, she was like, "Mommy, I want to wear them right now." And yeah, they feel good inside and warm inside. So that would be a good gift for Christmas if you have nieces, your friends, your neighbors kids, and your daughter, and the list goes on. And this is the third one, which is fuchsia pink, and he has a little heart in the side, but this one is a little bit different because he has an opening that you can just open it up. You don't have to struggle with it. And that is it, guys, for that unboxing. And like I said, I will leave the link down below if you want to sign up with them. And guys, without further ado, let me just let you enjoy the look of all 3 of them, and I will see you in my next. And I forgot to mention, if you don't subscribe yet, don't forget to do so, like, comment, and share, and I'll gladly appreciate. Bye.